Hello, my name is William Rasmussen, and today I will be doing an analysis of the body language in a clip from this press conference talking about the shift of the University of Idaho football team into what is essentially a lesser division. I will be talking about the very beginning of the conference as I believe it is very telling of the true feelings behind this decision. The first thing I would like to note is the facial expressions. One look at the face of the man on the right, who is the football coach Paul Petrino, and you can tell that he is not happy with this decision. He is showing frustration and anger, even when it appears that he is trying to have a smiling or at least neutral face. The other two do not appear to be as unhappy with the decision, but the man on the left is showing on his face at the very least concern for the situation, if not worry or doubt. The man in the middle, Chuck Staben, does not seem incredibly fazed by the change, but he does appear to not be completely sure in what he is saying, as he must look back to his prepared speech many times, making it seem that he is saying a fabricated statement. Body language is also very telling in this clip. Look at the hands of the football coach. He is unable to hold still and continues to fidget throughout the whole beginning clip, as well as squeezing and wringing his hands. This shows a level of discomfort with the situation and the change to the football team. The man on the left shows more comfort in the situation, maintaining a stable pose and keeping his hands folded, showing that he is more comfortable than the football coach. Once again, Chuck Staben seems rather unfazed with the change, as he maintains a normal level of shifting around and has his hands on his speech in order to check back on his notes. This clip tells me that both of the men that directly deal with the athletics program, the man on the left and right, are not happy with the change, but that the school was going to benefit from it on some level. Thank you for listening.